Hey guys, welcome back. I'll show you how to configure the bridge domain and the tenant. So this is our main file. So far we have configured the application profile and we configured the VRF, and under the application profile we configured three EPGs. Now I'll show you how to configure the bridge domain under this ABC tenant. So this is our ABC tenant. Now I will open Terraform registry and here I'll type bridge domain. So this is the resource to create the bridge domain. So here I'm getting the example usage to create the bridge domain. So I'll copy this script and I will use the same script to create a new bridge domain. So I'll put this in our script. So now resource name is ACI bridge domain, and here I need to give the name to this resource, so I'll give the same name. So we have used this example name for all the resources in this script, so I have changed this name. Now the next thing is the tenant underscore DN. So we'll need to put the tenant name. This is the resource AC underscore tenant dot tenant. I'll need to provide the name of the tenant. So this is our AC underscore tenant and the example is the name of this resource. So I'll use the same name to create the BD. So I'll remove this and will use example.id. So this BD will get created under this tenant. Now description is I'm putting from Terraform, name is demo BD. So I'll change this to test BD. So I'm giving this name test BD and I'm putting R flooding as a no, and the rest of the thing I'm keeping this as it is. So let me save this file and I'll run this file on the PowerShell. So I will check the configuration, typing Terraform plan. So now it is accepting our plan. So it means there is no error in the configuration. So here you can see we are adding this ACI bridge domain resource in this plan. So now I'll push this configuration. So now it is pushing the configuration to the Epic. I'll need to approve this, typing yes. Now it is creating a new bridge domain. So here you can see apply completed and resource we have added is one. So I'll go on Epic and we'll check in the ABC tenant. So you'll need to go in networking. In the networking, you will get bridge domain. Under the bridge domain, if you will click here, you will see this test BD is there. So new BD got created under this ABC tenant, and I'll check its configuration. So I'll click on policy. So under the policy, so here you can see name of the BD is test BD, alias name is alias underscore BD, description is this one. So here there is no VRF associate, so we'll need to provide the relationship between this BD and the VRF. I'll click on L3 configuration. So in the L3 configuration, there is no unicast routing is enabled because we have not configured this option, and there is no subnet configured. So we only configured the new BD and we configured some parameters like L2 unknown unicast, configured this as a flood, and the rest of the things we configured as a default. So in this way you can configure the bridge domain in the existing tenant. In the next session, I'll show you how to map the VRF to this bridge domain, and also I will show you how to associate the EPG to the bridge domain. Thanks for watching.